Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lego lobster. First, gather your materials, aiming for about 150 red and orange Lego bricks. Begin by selecting a 6x10 plate to serve as the sturdy base for the lobster's main body. Then, attach two 2x4 bricks to start forming the initial tail segment. Make sure all these foundational connections are very firm to ensure a stable and durable model. Now, let's focus on the tail and body. Construct the tail by carefully layering various curved red and orange plates, giving it a natural, segmented look. For added movement, place two 1x2 plates on each side, allowing for some articulation. For the main body, use a 4x8 brick as the central core, building outwards. Finally, incorporate smooth tiles to give your lobster a realistic and polished, segmented appearance. Next, we'll add the distinctive claws and legs. Fashion two prominent claws using 2x4 curved slopes, giving them a powerful look. Attach these claws to the main body using rotating 2x2 plates, allowing for dynamic posing. Then, construct 8 small legs, each using 1x2 plates combined with hinge bricks for flexibility. Carefully position these 8 legs evenly along the lobster's underside, ensuring balance and stability. For the final touches, let's bring your lobster to life. Add 2 small black 1x1 round plates to serve as the eyes, giving it character. Then, carefully place 2 flexible antennae using thin rod pieces, enhancing its realistic appearance. Take a moment to review all the connections, ensuring everything is stable and that your lobster has good posability. Now, your fantastic Lego lobster model is complete and ready to be proudly displayed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.